I would like to dedicate this video to our director, sir. Hi, sir. Hope you and everyone at home are safe and sound. I still remember the first day we met. It was on 26th February 2018, and I had come to give chocolates for my birthday. And that day, I told you that I liked the principles you shared with us during our Havan and how it reminded me of what my parents told me while bringing me up. And after that, we would regularly meet, and each time you would share a bit of your wisdom with me. Thank you, sir, for teaching me how to be a responsible leader, how to be more organized, and know what to speak when and where. You would always correct me whenever I didn't do the right thing. And I also remember the time you told me that I resembled Sharad, a former student from Pave, and how we made it into an IIT. And you also said that I too would one day. And that has finally happened. Thank you so much for being one of my strongest pillars of support. Sir, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day and a long and happy life.
Hi Fazil sir, happy Teachers' Day. You're such a lovable person, sir. You teach all of us with love and care. Your focus on every one of us is something special about you, sir. You all are really gonna miss you so much, sir. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Hi Anju ma'am, happy Teachers' Day. You are such a lovable person who makes us more stronger. Your love and support was more motivation for us. Thank you for being a motivated person for us, ma'am.
Hi sir, happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much sir for all the great support behind me, and thank you for your kind advice and your motivation which made me score good marks in all exams. Thank you so much sir, and wishing you once again a very happy Teachers' Day. Hi sir.
ஹாப்பி டீச்சர்ஸ் டே ஜெயந்தி மேம். உங்ககிட்ட இப்போ தான் 10th திட்டு வாங்கின மாதிரி இருக்குது. அதுக்குள்ளே நாங்கள் வந்து 12th முடிச்சுட்டு இப்போ காலேஜ் ஜாயின் பண்ணி காலேஜ் போயிட்டுருக்கோம். எப்படி இருந்தாலும் 10th உங்ககிட்ட திட்டு வாங்கினதோ இல்லை வந்து 9th நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு இதை போடு, இந்த அசைன்மெண்ட் முடி, அந்த அசைன்மெண்ட் முடின்னு சொன்னதோ இது எல்லாமே கண்டிப்பாக மறக்க முடியாது. இதனால தான் நாங்கள் வந்து 10th நல்ல மார்க் வாங்கினதுக்கு ஒரு காரணம். ஸோ ஹாப்பி டீச்சர்ஸ் டே மேம்.
Hello Arthur, this is Prince. Happy Teachers' Day. Hope you and your family are doing well and safe and sound in this pandemic situation. You have been a great pillar of support to all the students during their exam preparations. I would like to thank you for it. You have made the classes experience learning through fun. You related a lot of life experience of yours which made the classes more fun. Thank you sir, and happy Teachers' Day.
Hi Nirmala ma'am, happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much ma'am, you have been a great support for me in all needs, and I love you so much. The care you take and the love you give for each and everyone is very unique, and thank you so much ma'am. We are so blessed to have teachers like you, which we are very special, and this day is more special for us, and this is a good day, and happy Teachers' Day ma'am. Thank you. Bye ma'am.
Hi Anu ma'am, wishing you a happy Teachers' Day, and you have been an inspiration for all of us for many years ma'am. Thanks for everything you have done to me, and your guidance are it means a lot to me, and thanks for every guidance. And yeah, my Arangetram would have been never possible without you. Thanks for that ma'am. And what I am today is all because of you in my dance career, and thanks for everything you have done. And I found discipline, love, friendship and everything in you. You're just a perfect person ma'am, and I love your dance very much. Your dance is just I can't explain it in a word, and keep on doing it dance, and yeah, stay happy always. And once again, happy Teachers' Day.
As a Salem PCB student, I take the privilege to extend my warm greetings and Teachers' Day wishes to the backbones of Salem campus, Indu ma'am, Shakila ma'am and Babu sir. Our days in Salem campus wouldn't have been so happy without your presence in our life, dear teachers. You were everything to us in Salem campus, starting from small things like guiding us where to go and everything, till the last things like consumption and so on. It wouldn't have been possible without your presence. You made it easier. Teresa, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. I still remember and miss the way you called me Papa. And more than a teacher, you have been a brother to me, not just by words, like or tying lucky or something. But I have got an emotional connect with you and a comfortable zone which I haven't got with anyone else. You are such a motivational and inspiring person, not just for me, but for everybody. You have scolded me extremes as well as motivated me to the base. Any teacher would ask a student to study, but you were the person who said balance your studies and your passion, and that's why I'm here. Even now, your words have never failed to boost me, sir. Thank you so much for coming into my life, and once again, happy Teachers Day wishes, sir. I wish every student should have a teacher like you in their lives. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi Madhi sir and hi Kavita ma'am. I just wanted to wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Both of you have helped me so much through school, and you are one of the most important reasons why I am where I am today. I've graduated from university and obtained my bachelor's degree finally, and now I'm working independently as a nurse in Canada. Both of you and all the other teachers in Poway have helped me develop myself so well, and it is because of you guys that I am standing today where I am, and I hope to progress more and more in life. And I hope I have your prayers and blessings with me always. You guys, both of you will be a great inspiration to so many of the students, and each and every student who is learning with you is really lucky to have you. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am. Thanks for the immense love, support and care that you have always shown. Thanks for that, ma'am, and we literally don't know what we are going to do in return, but we'll definitely make you proud by scoring good marks in board exam. And thanks so much for everything, ma'am, for your constant support, and you have never failed to approach us when we feel low. So thanks for that, and we miss you so much, ma'am. We miss doing Sugar Brain yogas. Moreover, we love you so much, ma'am.
Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. And now this is for Niranjani ma'am. Ma'am, wishing you many more happy Teachers Day. And this goes since 1 year I have been with you. You have been my IT teacher, and moreover you have been my mother. And in my all the sad times and whenever I was so depressed, you are the only person who sits near me and you give a right solution for my all problems. Ma'am, I'm really serious that your solutions and your advices are the best treatments for my all the problems. And ma'am, I love you so much, and I don't have any words to express right now how much I do love you and how much I do miss you right now. And I had a hope that I could meet you once again during the IT examination or the revision, but the plan has got fully flopped. Ma'am, but I really promise you that I'll definitely come to school one day to meet you and to meet all the teachers and to get the blessings from you. And until then, stay safe, stay happy, and once again, happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Love you so much.
Hey people, I am Lakshana Kanan from 19 Bad Salem campus. I'd like to wish all my teachers a very happy and wonderful Teachers Day. Thank you for being with us through thick and thin and making us the people we are today. I'd especially like to thank Amit sir and Varagiri sir. Amit sir, thanks a lot sir. You've been with us since day one to our journey to success. You've been a wonderful teacher, mentor, motivator, friend, brother and whatnot sir. You've stepped up for us whenever we needed you the most sir. Thank you is a very small word to express our magnitude of gratitude sir. We'll keep deserving what you made us sir. हम सबको आप बड़े अच्छे लगते हो सर. We'll never forget your milkshake sandwich and the relationship manager. Varagiri sir, first of all a very big sorry for throwing so many tantrums and putting you through a lot of stuff sir. We are a bunch of brats and it's very difficult to handle us. You've done it so beautifully, so patiently sir. Thanks a lot for that. Thank you for making our max period so interesting sir. I hope both of you have a fantastic year ahead.
வணக்கம் ஐயா, நான் ரித்திகா கார்த்திகை பேசுகிறேன். உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் லாஸ்ட் இயர் 10th பேட்சில் உங்களோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட். ஹாப்பி டீச்சர்ஸ் டே. நான் உங்களை நேரில் பார்த்து விஷ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ட்டு நினச்சேன். இப்போ இருக்கிற சுச்சுவேஷனில் நம்மளால் முடியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி ஐயா. உங்களால் தான் நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே போர்டு எக்ஸாம்ஸில் நல்ல மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்கோன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண அளவுக்கு எல்லாருமே வாங்கியிருப்போமா அப்படின்றது எனக்கு தெரியல. ஆனால் என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுமே போர்டு எக்ஸாமில் தமிழில் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகிருக்காங்க அப்படின்ட்டு தான் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ரொம்ப நன்றி. நீங்கள் இல்லைன்னா எங்களால் இதெல்லாம் செஞ்சுருக்க முடியாது. நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே நிஜமாகவே உங்களை மிஸ் பண்ணுறோம். உங்களையும் மற்ற டீச்சர்ஸையும் ஸ்கூல்லையும் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுறோம். எப்போ திருப்பி ஸ்கூலுக்கு வருவோம் அப்படின்ட்டு இருக்குது. சீக்கிரமாக இதெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சு நான் உங்களை ஸ்கூலில் மீட் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்ட்டு நினைக்கிறேன் ஐயா. உடம்பு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப நன்றி.
Happy Teachers Day, Kavita ma'am. The 2 years in your class was incredibly fun and I had the best days of my life in Powai. I want to just thank you for all the life lessons that you've given me. Thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day, Madhi sir. When I first came to Powai, you were my first class teacher. You cared about each and every one of us. Your classes were always amazing, sir. Even when I struggled so much with maths, you would always help me, sir. You always brought out the best in me. Thank you so much, sir. I was very lucky and blessed to be in your class. And for all the teachers, those who supported me and helped me throughout the journey to become the person I am today, thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi everyone, I'm Santosh Narayanan of 2019 batch Salem campus. I wish all the faculties a happy Teachers Day 2020 and I hope all are doing fine. And I want to especially talk about one of my favorite faculty, Rajesh sir. Sir, you are not just a faculty, you are more like a brother who understood all our pains while preparing for the exam. And I really miss your lectures now, like all the life lessons as well as the subjects and your diagrams, which I really miss, sir, and hoping to meet you soon, sir. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, Rajkumar sir. I've always enjoyed your classes. They were fun and interesting. Thank you so much for being an amazing teacher and for always encouraging us to do better.
ஹாப்பி டீச்சர்ஸ் டே சம்பத் சார். ஸோ உங்கள் கூட என்னோடய மெமரியை ஷேர் பண்ணிக்க சொன்னாங்க. உங்கள் கூட என்னோடய அழகான மெமரி என்னென்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, கிரவுண்டு தான். ஓட விட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பீங்க விளையாட விடாமல். ஸோ அந்த மெமரி எப்பயுமே நான் மறக்க மாட்டேன். ஸோ ஸ்டே சேஃப் சார். ஆல் பிளெஸிங்ஸ். நாங்கள் தான் நல்லாயிருக்கோம். நீங்களும் பாய்.
Hello Shubham Jain sir. Happy Teachers Day. I hope you're doing well. So first of all, thank you for being a great support in my JEE preparation. I can still remember all the talks we had during our JEE preparation, all the tips you had given me, and you kept me motivated even during my tough times. Like 11th standard, I was not good at math at all. I was getting single digit marks, but you helped me and you believed in me, and because of your continued support, I was able to perform really well and finally make it into an IIT. You will always be one of the coolest staffs I've ever known. Thank you so much. I hope to see you when the lockdown ends.
Hi Manibhushan sir, this is Shamunesh. I hope you and everyone are safe there. So first of all, a very very happy Teachers Day sir, because you are the main reason for us to not hate physics, and like you made us the path of preparation more fun and interesting. So more than that, you gave us the college atmosphere in school itself, and you shared everything about how the college life and in general. So those things are really helpful, and we are still facing it now sir, and we are able to reconnect of what you said. So thanks for everything sir, and hope you have a nice day sir.
Hi Vijay sir, happy Teachers Day. Hope you're doing your best. It's almost been 2 years, and to be honest, I don't remember the atomic numbers nor the periodic table, but what I do remember is the way you taught us how to handle pressure and how to move across your hurdles in the most easiest way possible. And honestly sir, I'm doing it each and every day in my life, and it's working for me, and I'm sure all the students you have taught would be doing the same thing too, and all what you said and what you taught us is going to take us to success. I'm sure about that. On behalf of 2K18-19 students, I would love to say that we all love you, sir, and you are one of the most incredible, best teacher we could ever have. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Hello Kishore sir, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. A teacher is not just a person who teaches the students the subjects. You taught us something more important than subjects. That is how to lead life. Whenever I feel down and I feel very depressed, I can just rewind your advices that you give me, and that will be a solution for everything. You are an inspiring person. More than a teacher, you are a counselor to us. You are a booster to all of us. I don't think any teachers, like when a teacher gets shifted to another branch or something, the students will get this much affected. I saw when you left the school, sir. I really missed you so much, but still your words are there in my heart to boost me up whenever I wanted.
Hello everyone, this is Shweta from the 2K19 batch, and I'd like to wish all my teachers a happy Teachers Day. But I'd specifically like to thank two of them. One is Kashi sir and the other one's Mohan sir. Kashi sir, the perfect way to describe you would be you're a large child with a sea of knowledge and a heart of gold. And we all knew that all the other teachers, all the other biology teachers had mad respect for you because you knew everything there is to know about the subject, and yet you were so humble, so kind and so gentle. Like a person can sleep in your class and then you wake them up gently and teach them the lesson again. That's how kind you were. And then there's Mohan sir, who I think everyone knows he's the coolest teacher on the planet. Like, you can do anything and he won't lose his cool. And both of you've not only taught us wonderful lessons, but you've also taught us a way of life. You've taught us how to be kind and patient, and I don't think I can thank you both enough for that, but what else can a person say? So thank you, truly. Okay, bye.
Hey everyone, this is Sugandhan. In this video, I would like to specially talk about Prem Kishore sir. Hi sir. Sir, even though I only attended a few of your classes during the initial months of 11th and towards the end in 12th, you had still guided me throughout my 2 years of JEE preparation. I remember that there was a time in 11th where I couldn't solve simple vector questions, and I had come to you saying that, sir, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know if I will ever make it. And you made me sit till 5 p.m. and made me solve the beginner box questions and show it to you. Looking back at that from now, it really puts a smile on my face, and also it reminds me of how dedicated you teachers are towards your duty. Thank you so much, sir, and I hope you produce more good students.
Hi, this is Shiva. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers, especially to Mr. Chandrababu sir, who I really miss. You're the reason I still walk in a straight line, my hands folded at the back, and still obey traffic rules. I think you taught the students that education is not the only thing which he requires to succeed in life. He's also required to play by the rules and follow them at all times. I'm just grateful that you are my mentor, and I'm pretty sure that at some point of our lives we will meet. So thank you, and happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, Natasha ma'am. 12C had the most notorious bunch of people. We were all so naughty that every time our classes were allocated, it was either straight before director's office or straight before roll sir's office. But the way you dealt with us and the way you molded us is just wow. Thank you for everything, ma'am. And even during English classes, when we all used to sit in that long hall, it's like 150 students, I guess. Even there you'll be like, come students, come to the front row. Keetna, Brianna, Sneha, all of you come sit right before me, and we'll be sitting right before you and listening to the classes. I miss all of that, ma'am, and I swear to God, if you didn't make us sit on the front row, we wouldn't have got such beautiful marks in English. It's all because of you. Thanks to you, ma'am. We all miss those reading sessions and the small summary talk that we used to have. Take care, ma'am. We all love you. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.
Happy Teachers Day to every teacher out there, and a special thanks to Rohit sir. Thank you for making me what I am today, sir. Thank you for being the best person anyone could ever ask for. You added colors to the dull phase of my life, and thank you for never letting me down and having high hopes in me. You had high hopes in me even when I did not have it in myself. Thank you for bringing out the best in me, sir, and thank you for tolerating me on top of everything. The best memory we share is every single time I come to your cabin is a memory now. Thank you for always being throughout every single phase of my life, sir. You are really the best. I am forever grateful to you, sir, and you are my superhero.
Happy Teachers Day, Geeta ma'am.
A very happy Teachers Day to all the amazing teachers out there. A lot of respect for all the efforts and energy you all put in for us. Thank you so much. Gauri ma'am, you're the most cutest and adorable teacher we've all come across. I have a lot of memories with you, but I'll tell you something now. One day you yelled at me very badly. Please don't ask me when, because me getting scoldings from you were like a weekly routine for me. But this was when you asked me to write an official script for a program, but I made it very unofficial. You got so angry and you taught me how to go about an official script, and you made me rewrite it 2 or 3 times. I was so sad that day because you yelled at me. Now I realize if you didn't do that, if you weren't strict with me, I wouldn't be able to write proper scripts for a program right now. Thank you so much for that, ma'am. All credits to you. And I also remember, like, back then when we had a lot of events in our school, I used to come to you every single day. You'll be like, Keetana, please, Keetana, not today. I'm very busy. But then the next minute you'll call me and you'll be like, what's the problem? What do I have to do? What help do you need? Thank you so much for that, ma'am. Even though you had a very busy schedule, you made time for each and every one of us who seek your help. We love you all. We love every one of you so much. We miss being at school. Hope you all take good care of your health, and hopefully we all meet soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi sir, Rishi here. Very happy Teachers Day to you, Manibhushan sir. You have been always my favorite teacher, and you have been also an inspiration for me, because you were never like a normal teacher to us. You were more of a friend. You shared your college days, your experience, the time which you spent, everything you have shared with us, sir. Maybe that is what made us here today. And we always took you as an inspiration, because you were such a hard worker, and you also made us to do how to do that hard work, and all. You also taught us, and we tried our best, and maybe that's why we are here today. And we all miss your Smarty Beauty problems, sir, and I hope we all meet once again with a reunion or something like that. I seriously miss the whole Alan staff batch, sir. Thank you.
Hi Bharat sir, Sarvesh here. A very happy Teachers Day for you. You have been a constant support for us in past 2 years. Your teaching made us physical chemistry very easy. Your surprise test and the shortcuts which you taught for us in all the elements, it's very useful even in our college life. The most fun moment with you is on September 5th, 2018, I guess. Yes sir. The Teachers Day celebration was very fun. You sang a song for us, I guess Ruba Ruba, yes. And then Shivaji movie dialogue, and you even danced with us. Yes, it was literally a very fun session, sir. And thanks for being patient in all the doubt sessions and even in class hours. Wish you are doing well, sir, and we'll get to meet soon after the pandemic gets over, sir. Thank you and stay safe.
Hi everybody, hope everybody is doing great and safe. So if you still haven't recognized, this is Sankita from 2015 Commerce batch. I'm here to wish every teacher in Poway a very happy Teachers Day. So it's been 5 to 6 long years since ever I came out of Poway, but I have tons of memories to cherish for lifetime. I'm not taking 100% credit for that, because it was not just me, it was always my friends and teachers who have given me this tons of memories to cherish for lifetime. I'm so grateful and thankful to all the teachers for all the support and guidance that they have given to me, and the person who I am today is only because of that. Right from Director Sir, Rohit Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, supporting staff, non-supporting staff, let it be anybody in that matter, have been 100% supportive, and I'm thankful to every person in all aspects. I'm so thankful to all the teachers who taught me subjects, and teachers who taught me something apart from subjects. because I always have a bunch of teachers those who supported me in life, like outside my classroom. I'm very, very, very thankful that you guys were part of my life. And Kavita ma'am, I really wanted to thank you in person because you have been such an inspiration. You made sure that the class is perfect, but though we weren't, you tried to bring the best out of us. You always made sure that we bring innovation and creative in any subject like matter. I never knew English can be so innovative and creative, but you made that possible because you never wanted what was there in the book. You always wanted to bring the students and the creativity in them. That was not so, common teaching quality, but yours was so unique. You never yell at us, you never show your anger to us. You always greet us with a smile. Let it be anytime in the school, you always greet us with a smile. That was such a positive vibe, ma'am, I would tell. And I really, really, really miss those beautiful days of my life. If at all I'm going to get the chance to meet all of you again, I'll be so happy to do that. And hope all your good deeds bring in good fortunes to you. And always I can say I'm your mischievous student, but still you supported me in all aspects and you made sure that I'm concentrating on my studies and I'm doing good in a very good path. And not just Kavita ma'am, Madhi sir, thanks so much for all the secret helps that you have made, because without you I would have gone mad in maths. I'm 100% sure in that. Though I had liking in maths, without you that would have been impossible to get that right. So I would always fetch a hand to Madhi sir for any help in that matter, subject wise. So not just Kavita ma'am and Madhi sir, but there are tons and tons of teachers who helped me, and I'm so grateful for everybody. And Rohit sir, you have been such a support. I couldn't describe those in words. You have always been a brother till today and ever. And wish you also a very happy Teachers' Day. And to all the teachers, to all my loving teachers, wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hi Bharat sir, it's Hamish over here. I hope you're fine and a very happy Teachers' Day to you. Thank you for guiding me in the rightful path in the past 2 years, and thank you for turning chemistry into my favorite subject. And I once again wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, and after this pandemic ends, I hope we may meet again. Thank you.
Hi Sudha ma'am, how are you? Hope you and your family members are good and safe in this lockdown period, and we all wish you a very, very, very happy Teachers' Day ma'am, and thank you for supporting me, guiding me and being on my side whenever I needed you the most, and we make sure that we all see soon again in school. And it's been a too long time as we have seen you and played with you and all those things. Thank you for everything ma'am, and again I wish you a very, very, very happy Teachers' Day ma'am. Thank you.
Hi Rohit sir, hope the family is safe and good. Wishing the best teacher in the world happy Teachers' Day, and I'm missing your black coffee.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers who are out there helping their students to achieve the goals and dreams of their life. I want to thank all my teachers who have played a major part in making me what I am today. On this day, I want to talk about Gopinath sir. He had a high level of knowledge in the subject, and his guidance helped us score great marks in board exams. He had high level of patience, and he was very calm at every situation, irrespective of whatever we did. Sir, you treated us, all of us, as your own son and daughter. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything. Love.
A very happy Teachers' Day, Devika ma'am. We are so happy and we are so lucky to have such a sweet teacher like you. And we understand that it's not that easy to take online classes during this time. And you put your best to bring out the best in us. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we are eagerly waiting to meet you soon, ma'am. Once again, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.